So this is what's included inside the box. You get a visor for each door, and they also give you 2 cleaning wipes to clean each side of the car. 1 wipe will do 2 doors. I recommend that you test fit the visor first, so you get a good idea of how to align them and place them on the car. That's what you see me doing right now in this clip. This is how those hangers hang onto the door. You just slide it on and it loosely secures itself to the door frame. When you go to install it, it helps to go ahead and remove most of the tape on that vertical strip on the side. And go ahead and peel back on the horizontal tape. You want to pull back enough so that once you kind of get the visor on the car door, you can slowly just peel that tape back as you put pressure to finish sealing the tape. Again, you'll see here what I mean in a second. And again, when you put it on, kind of like angle it out and then get those hooks or clips, whatever you want to call them, get them secured on the edge of the door, and then make sure you line it up right, and then start to put pressure to get the visor to stick onto the door. And this is what I mean by just slowly kind of grab it, pull it back. Again, make sure the alignment is still on right. And just put pressure on there just to finish sealing it. And just go down the whole edge of the visor until you get to the end. Once I had the visor on all the way, I used a microfiber cloth, and I just kind of put moderate pressure and just went around the edge of the visor just to kind of evenly put pressure on that tape to make sure it stayed on there. Here's the final fit and finish. You can see they fit pretty flush with the body of the car, so I'm super happy with how that turned out. Let me know what you think below in the comments, and give the video a like if it helped you decide if you want to buy a set for yourself. And hit subscribe if you want to support the channel, it really helps me out. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video.